I'm ready to play every day. This is Liam Learns. Today we are learning how to use a scissors. Scissors are sharp. You have to be careful. And you cannot play with scissors. Mom, take scissors if I play with them. Mom, can I please have a piece of paper to cut? Wait, it folded down. I'm gonna cut a straight line first. This looks so hard. It's so hard. It's so hard. Can you do it? Let's try it so you can do it.
I'm going to put my thumb in through.
You wouldn't mind me in it?
Yes, of course. All right, now tell them what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my thumb where? Where's my thumb go?
Wait.
My thumb goes on the table.
No.
My thumb goes in the big hole.
No.
Where's my thumb go?
Here.
In the little hole. And then where do my fingers go? Do they hold the scissors down here?
No.
Do they hold the table?
No.
Do they fly in space?
No.
Where do they go?
In this spot.
That's right, my fingers go in here. So that gives me control of the scissors.
Yeah.
Once we can move the scissors, we can take our piece of paper and we can find the line.
Wait,
and then,
we're not starting there.
oh, where do I start?
Right.
Oh, I have to do
Here.
this squiggly one. Is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
But you can't see the line.
Okay, well first let's finish this one. Let's cut the line.
Where are you starting?
Turn the paper and cut again. Turn the paper and cut
How
again.
are you doing that?
There we go. Now,
Wait, I wanna make it tricky. Mom, I challenge you. I bet I can draw something that you can't cut out. Scribble lines. Super duper tricky. It's super duper tricky. And you can't do it. My thing is done. Wait, I'm not done yet. There, I'm done. Yeah.
you win this challenge.
Can I have another one?
Uh-oh.
Oopsie. I'm done. I'm not done yet, I guess. I'm done. Ha.
Should I try to cut it?
Try to cut it on the line.
Ooh. There's so many.
What?
Did I do it?
You have to cut the lines. The line.
I didn't do it?
Yeah.
I didn't do it right?
No.
Oh, I guess you win.
Yeah! Can you please give me another one?
Sure.
Let's see if you can cut out that. 2 Liam, 0 Mom.
Okay, I did it. I cut on the lines.
Those weren't the lines. That was the paper.
Did I win?
No.
What's the score?
Well, I won 1, 2, 3. So I got 3 points. I'm not good at drawing. I messed up.
That's okay. Just keep going. Oh, it looks beautiful. Go ahead.
Flip it. There's your straight line.
Okay.
It has low bumps. You have to start here.
Okay. Start here. So, what's the score?
You have a 1 and I have 3.
And what's larger, 1 or 3?
3.
Who's a winner?
Well, me. I am the winner! I won the line cut challenge. Yeah! Make sure you challenge your parents and make sure 1 tricky and 2 easy. Don't take it too easy. And be careful with scissors! Don't forget to like and subscribe! Bye!
You have marker on your face because you have purple all over you.